Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English Learning channel. Today our news is about US-Mexico tunnel. US authorities have announced that they have found the longest ever tunnel on the southwest border between the US and Mexico. The 0.8-mile long tunnel begins in the industrial area in Tijuana, Mexico, and it links Tijuana with San Diego, California. A U.S. Border Patrol agent, Aaron Hedke, said the discovery was made by the U.S. with combination of a lot of intelligence gathering and technologies. The tunnel includes an extensive rail system, air ventilation, electrical cables, an elevator, and a complex drainage system. Hedke said that any drug could be smuggled and that this particular tunnel shows this effort that criminal organizations are able to undertake. No arrests were made and no drugs were found on the site, but U.S. officials say that an investigation is underway. This is the end of our news for today, and happy study. See you in our next video. Bye.